you know, I'm not gonna read any instructions. Like, that would be too fucking logical, bro. Right?
Dozer, when you're done, bring the ship up to broadcast depth.
Alright, so I just bought this CB radio, the LX29. I've had it before. Let me move this shit out the way. I'm gonna show you how to install it. It don't take no fucking rocket science. Oh, cool. I had the chrome one before. Put that up there. Now there's gonna be a plug that goes in here and then a plug that goes in here. So let's check what we got here for wires. This should come out, right? Okay, so this is pre-wired. So these ones, I think you just put these ends in it, which should be simple enough. Oh, yeah. So red, obviously to red, right? Screw it down tight. And then the ground, negative. This is negative to negative. It's either ground or negative, one of the two. Like I said, I'm not a rocket scientist, even though I know how rockets work. Okay, cool. So this comes up. Alright, cool. So I guess this will just go right in here like this. Will it fit? I'm pretty sure that the T680 is designed for this. See, I'm half retarded. I didn't put it in correctly. I gotta put that out there. Yeah. Put that loop thing out there. Oh, don't want to scratch my new shit. And I told him I might bring it back. I really wanted to try the Unden, I don't know, the Bearcat 980, but I've seen a couple bad reviews about the screen going bad after 6 months or so. I wonder if this one could be tuned up. Maybe. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug this in. Put this wire in here. And I'll put this coax on here. And then I'm gonna attach the power. And now I'm gonna attach the power. I got the power. Yeah, that work? Is that the right way? No. Volume, power. Cool. And I'm gonna shove these wires back in. I like the chrome one, so if I see it on the road, I'll just exchange it. Okay, that's in there now. So here's the microphone. I got 2 turntables and a microphone. Here's the plug, because I'm the plug. Push that all the way in. There we go. Then I got this thing to go along with it. Even though I have this, that's not that cool, right? You gotta be cool, so you gotta get all the cool shit. You know, I'm not gonna read any instructions. Like, that would be too fucking logical, bro. Right? I could probably I need a screw. Where would I want to attach it though? Like right here? Like up here? I could just put it right here. Or right here. And then it would be cool. Oh no, let's see what I got. Can I get a radio check?
Yeah, I can hear you there, John.
Ninja vanish!